Hey, what's going on, Phone Dags? BoHD here, and I've compiled a list of 10 of the best iOS apps to hit the Play Store in the month of March. Now, some of these apps are brand new, others have received brand new updates, enhancing the overall experience. My goal is to help you find at least one app that interests you and is ultimately worth downloading. With that said, let's get started. Viewfind is a news app that centers around amazing visual stories. You can pick from stories selected by the editors, or you can browse for stories yourself. What's neat is just how engaging the app is, so you can tap on any photo in a story to view it in slideshow mode, where you can toggle captions on or off to ultimately customize the reading experience. There's even a map for you to explore stories from around the world, and it's also a kind of a basic social media site where you can follow your favorite photojournalists behind each story. As a visual person and editor myself, I'm in love with this app. Super Arc Light is a game that I also highlighted in the Android version of this video. It's worth sharing because of simply how fun it is. Now, you play as a dot that spins around a circle and fires at incoming enemies. It can get very visually stimulating and very disorienting, I will warn, as the background changes colors, and every time you tap on the screen to fire at an object, the direction of the ball switches. So if you like what you see, you might want to download this app. Service is an app that has really caught my attention, to say the least. I can't imagine just how practical it will be, but here's the synopsis. When you have an issue with a company, or when something goes wrong, you generally need to contact the company, right? This app acts as the middleman, connecting you to said company. My only complaint is that it forces you to sign in with an account, which may dissuade people to use the service. But the good news is that a real person, a real agent, will help you resolve your issue. It's pretty neat. Roger is a messenger service that turns your messages into walkie-talkie audio clips. Well, instead of text, you use your voice. The downside of this app is that both parties need to have the app installed to achieve the optimal experience, but I like the idea of using your voice to send messages instead of text, and the layout of this app is very intuitive and sleek. Kick Hero is a retro-style game where you play as a kid, kicking a ball down a street, knocking out bad guys. It seems simple, but it's actually a lot harder than it looks, as the controls can be a bit finicky and the game can be pretty unforgiving. The worst part of the app is the ads, which can be long and pretty obtrusive. Frax is an art program that puts the equations of math in your palm. Frax is powered by fractal geometry, the same principles that create patterns of self-similarity in our natural world. From spiral galaxies to hurricanes, from tree limbs to branching blood vessels, the universe is filled with endless variation and staggering beauty. That is an entire quote by the app, not from myself. If you're a math geek or a stoner, or maybe both, you probably will enjoy this app. Stephen Fry said the app is so beautiful it makes me want to weep. How's that for a quote? Ball Maze is a game with a ball that traverses through a maze. Simple enough, it's pretty straightforward, but the ball always moves left, forcing you to tap and long press on the display to make the ball move right. I would say disorientation has been a theme of this video, and it certainly is present in Ball Maze as the game only gets more and more challenging, more and more disorienting as the levels get harder. Energy Saver is an app designed to monitor how much energy you use in a given area. A lot of people like myself just plug electronic devices into a socket, forget about them for the most part, and then pay the energy bill at the end of the month. This app quantifies how much energy your appliances are consuming to help you ultimately save money and save power. While on the subject of energy, today is a neat app designed to track your daily goals and routines with custom health and fitness dashboards. You start by naming a habit, and then you select how often you perform such habit. Then you can set up a reminder for this habit for a select time, and then you select when you'd like to start the habit. It's as simple as that. The more habits, the more reminders, and the more productive you will be, and the more energy you will use. Now, I want to leave you with the app MyWater. It's an app, it's also a message that says you should drink more water. The app will help you drink water and be healthy. It calculates your recommended water intake, as well as how much water you are getting from drinking other beverages like tea, soda, smoothies, etc., etc. The more water you drink, the more awards you get, and to keep you on track, the app will deliver notifications to you as well. So go download this app and drink a recommended amount of water after this video. With that said, those were some of the best apps released and or updated in the month of March 2016. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're brand new, and let us know which app is your favorite by leaving a comment down below. As always, I'm BoHD. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you right back here in the next one. See ya.